Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Joseph Joaquin Bacasupakit, and I will now recite the handwriting terminologies that we last discussed. And this will be the mask that I will use. And see that there are no devices that will be used. Okay. I will now begin. Alright. Okay. So, let's begin. Alignment is the relation of parts of the whole writing alignment or line of individual letters in words to the baseline. Angular forms, sharp straight strokes that are made by stopping the pen, changing changing direction before continuing. Arcade forms that look like arches rounded or curved line above. Characteristics: any property or marks which distinguishes and in document examination commonly called as the identifying details. Form: the writer's chosen writing style. Garland forms: a connected and rounded form as curved line at the bottom. Gestalt: um, uh, a completed or whole handwriting feature as correctly executed. Graphoanalysis: the study of handwriting based on two fundamental strokes, the curved and straight strokes. Graphometry: analysis by comparison and handwriting and measurement of handwriting. Graphology: the art of determining character disposition and amplitude of a person from the study of handwriting. It also means the scientific study and analysis of handwriting, especially with reference to forgeries and question document. Hand lettering: any disconnected style of writing in which each letter is written separately, also called hand printing. Left-handed writing. See wrong handwriting. Letter space: the degree of space left between letters. Line quality, line direction. Movement of the baseline along slant up, down, or straight across the page. And line quality: the overall characteristic of the ink line from the beginning to the ending strokes, derived from combination of factors including skill, speed, rhythm, freedom of writing, shading, and pen emphasis. Yeah, that's quality. Next is line space: the degree of space left between line. Then manuscript: a disconnected form of script or semi-script writing as the first step in learning to write. Margin: the degree of space left around the writing on all four sides. Microscopic examination is any study or examination which is made with the microscope in order to discover minute detail. Okay. Movement: the manner in which the writing pen instrument is mobilized through fingers, hand, forearm, or whole arm. Then natural writing is any writing executed normally without any attempt to control or by disguise. Natural deviation: these are normal or usual deviation found between repeated specimens of any individual handwriting. Pen emphasis. Pen emphasis. Wait a minute. So itong last kani kanto na kanang any individual. That was natural division. Pen emphasis: the act of intermittently forcing the pen against the paper surface with increased writing pressure. Pen hold: the place where the writer grasps the barrel of the pen, and the angle at which he holds it. Pen position, the relationship between the pen point and the paper. Pen pressure, the average force with which the pen contacts on the surface paper. Um, print script, print script, a creative and individualized combination of printing and cursive writing. Okay. Um, proportion or ratio, the size relation between the tall and short letters is referred as to the ratio of writing. Quality, the uh, a distinct or peculiar a distinct or peculiar character along the related to the writing movement itself. Rhythm, the element of writing movement which is marked by regular and periodic recurrences of spontaneity. And shading is the widening of ink strokes due to the added pressure of on a flexible pen point or to the use of stub pen. Significant writing habit, any characteristic of handwriting that is sufficiently uncommon and will fixed to serve as a fundamental point in the identification. Then simplification, eliminating extra or superfluous strokes from the copybook model. Sizes may refer to the overall dimension of writing or the proportions between zones. A skill, the relation to degree by ability or proficiency being possessed by individual person. Okay. Slant or slope, the angle or inclination of the axis of the letter to the baseline. There are three categories: slant to the left, slant to the right, and vertical slant. Speed of writing, the rate or velocity in the execution of writing. And speed or speedy writing is execution of writing being interpreted as slow, moderate, or rapid. System of writing, the combination of basic design of letters and writing movement as taught in school. Tension is the degree of force exerted on the pen compared to the degree of relaxation. Thready form, an indefinite or corrective form that looks flat and wavy. And variability, the degree to which the writing changes from modification of copybook model. Variation, the results of changes. Word space, the amount of space left between words. And writing condition, the physical and mental state of capacity of the writer to enable writing. Wrong-handed writing is any writing executed with the opposite hand that normally used. Then writing impulse, the result of the pen touching down on the paper and moving across the page until it is raised from the paper. Okay, and I believe that is all. Again, to check. Thank you for listening, ma'am, and have a good day.